So the live coaching is, I think that's the super value of these classes, because you're actually talking to somebody, super knowledgeable teacher, live, and you can ask actual questions.
Like, I was growing with those 8 weeks. Like, I was totally growing, and like the lessons were also done very well, to where they weren't too much. Like, I've seen some where they just throw tons of stuff at you.
The quizzes and the dragging the shape over and matching up the various exercises, like that's where things really started to click for me. Yeah, now I get it. Like now I know what shape I'm supposed to use, where and when. Like that's what I didn't know.
Neil helped me not only learn the pentatonic shapes, but how to use them in a musical way. And I think that's the most important thing.
Like, Neil has this amazing product, and I see it. Like, I'm like, dude, like what you do is so different from everybody else. Like, you have that gold nugget